You don't need to wear a full face of makeup to look high maintenance. If you want to know how you can look high maintenance without makeup or with not wearing any makeup, then follow these tips. The most important thing to look high maintenance throughout your life is having a set skincare routine. If you are clueless, you can start with a simple 3 to 4 step skincare routine, which is cleanse, tone, moisturize, and also SPF. One of the ingredients which suits best for all skin types is niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and also ceramide. Start with a gentle cleanser, then go in with a hyaluronic acid or niacinamide serum, and then use a basic moisturizer. I will leave recommendations of some of the moisturizers just over here and serums, which will help you as a beginner to create a skincare routine. Why does a skincare routine helps to look high maintenance? Well, you're putting in the effort in your skin. Now, having also a set skincare routine increases self-love and self-care activities, which brings you closer to yourself. Having a skincare routine for myself has definitely helped me throughout the years. Number 2 is shaving your face. Now, everyone is skeptical about face shaving. I know not most of you do, but if you want to look a little bit high maintenance, try going ahead and shaving your face. I've been doing this for, I would say, years now, and I don't even remember the last time, I skipped it. What I do is apply aloe vera gel or a thick layer of the gel and then simply shave it. If you are not comfortable, start small, maybe start shaving, your forehead, whatever parts you are comfortable with, and then go ahead in. What will happen is that if you're applying skincare or makeup, it will go in very, very smoothly. So that will also make you look high maintenance. And if you're not wearing any makeup and if you shave your face, it will also start looking very, very smooth and make you look put together. Number 3, get your eyebrows done. I cannot even tell you the difference when I do my eyebrows and when I don't do it. Eyebrows make such a difference if you do it from the right person, and it definitely increases and elevates the way you look even without makeup. This is literally what my brows look. I haven't done anything to them. Number 4 is to curl your lashes even if you're not wearing makeup. This is a trick which I do if I have to go out or film a video where I'm not wearing any makeup. I just curl my lashes so they look a little bit wispy and I look more wide awake rather than just not curling my lashes. 5th one is exfoliate your lips every day. Oh my god, this has been a game changer. Everyone loves soft lips and nobody wants chapped lips. So there is this brush which comes, I'll again insert a photo or a video, and you just have to exfoliate it. You do not need to buy an exfoliator. Of course you can do that, but if you are on a budget, if you just feel like, okay, I don't think I'll use a scrub every day, just use that brush and just scrub it and you'll see a difference and you'll wake up with soft lips. And of course, soft lips, everyone loves it. And if you're going on a meeting or meeting your friends, you are not having chapped lips and it's not irritating you. That also is a one thing why you should exfoliate your lips every day. Number 7 is wearing elegant jewelry. It's not about wearing the most or the most expensive one, but the jewelry which suits your face and your undertone. For me, I'm a warm undertone, so technically gold jewelry or like gold colored looks good on me. And I usually prefer dainty rather than bold. So that also increases my confidence and makes me look put together. Any type of jewelry which you feel like you feel confident in will make you way more high maintenance. So go ahead with that. This has literally been the game-changing way to make me look high maintenance, is to have frizz-free hair. This is so freaking difficult, especially for me, because my hair is so frizzy and I have to tame it every single day. But the more put together your hair looks, the more seriously people take you, or you just look more put together in general. One of the hack which I do is basically take a brush, this brush, yes, a makeup brush, and a hairspray like this, and I just spray it like this, and then I do this. I just recently discovered this hack, and your flyaways are tamed. How insane and cool is that? So definitely try this hack out. And yeah, please remember, frizz-free hair. You do not need to straighten or blow dry or curl your hair every day. Just a small serum, apply it over your flyaways like this, and you'll look put together, trust me. Number 9 is wearing a good watch. If you have a good digital, not like a smartwatch, but like an analog watch, watches extremely increase the way you look and it just makes you look put together. I don't know what it is. I have not worn a smartwatch. Maybe that can change in the future, but for the past 7 to 10 years, I've always loved wearing watches. This is my absolute favorite. This is the Casio vintage watch. Something about this is just look at this. When I was not wearing a watch and when I'm wearing it, it just looks and feels so put together and so high maintenance. You do not need to invest into a Rolex or anything. Simply something which suits your style that will make you look so much high maintenance. And lastly, smell good. I cannot even tell you, this is so important. If I see someone, or if I'm across someone who does not smell good, if they are not even wearing a perfume or something, I'm just like, okay. But that is also a great conversation starter. If you're wearing a really good perfume or a body mist, people will ask you, oh my god, what are you wearing? You smell so good. That can also improve your confidence and also can be a good opening line to get to know someone, or just break the ice and network with people, or just if you're on a date, that is also a great thing. I've tried 30 lip balms and these are the best ones. Watch this video next and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.